banner install for the Deluxe Pro retractor is quick and easy. Remove both end caps from the snap rail and set to the side. Open the snap rail. Slide the top edge of the graphic completely onto the snap rail. Press down on the snap rail to close it. Replace the end caps. Attach the graphics loop strip to the hook strip located on the leader. Holding on to the graphic, remove the pin from the side of the base. Gently allow the banner to retract into the base. Repeat these steps if you have a Deluxe Pro double retractor. Flip base over and insert the key into the holder. You are now ready to move on to kit assembly. The kit assembly for the Deluxe Pro single retractor is quick and easy. Begin by removing all parts from the convenient carry case. Next, assemble the shock-corded pole. Insert the pole into the hole located on the base. Gently pull the banner rail up and insert it into the top of the telescoping pole. Flip open the snap rail lever and adjust to your desired height. Close the flip lever. You are now ready to utilize the marketing power of the Deluxe Pro single retractor. To retract your graphic into the base, open the flip lever and allow the pole to go down. Remove the snap rail from the top of the telescoping pole. Gently allow banner to retract into the base. Do not let go of the banner.